Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you for joining us. I'm Steve.
And I'm Scott.
And together, we are Backyard Musings in the backyard.
Apple Valley. Yep, we are here together.
Right. All right. Interesting one. Scientists at UC Irvine have found a way to restore vision in aging eyes by targeting how the body processes certain fats.
Got my attention.
I got a lot of that. So let's
Proven eyes.
Let's target how we do that. Yes. Building on earlier research into the ELOVL2, quote, aging gene, the team showed that giving older mice specific fatty acids improved their eyesight, even reversing signs of aging in the eye. I don't get that. Changes in eyesight are one of the most common signs of getting older. I get that. Sit down in a dimly lit restaurant with someone over 60, and you might hear them say, hold on, let me pull out my cell phone. I need more light to read the menu. Right here. Well, what if it were possible to restore the sharp vision we lose with age? Would you like to know more?
You got my attention because I'm over 60 and I obviously wear glasses. So I'm
you
good.
Could use some fat too.
I'm
You don't
good.
have any.
I'm good. Researchers at UC Irvine have been exploring exactly that. Their latest study investigates a potential therapy that could slow or even reverse the aging process in the eye while helping prevent conditions like age-related macular degeneration, or AMD. Quote, we show the potential for reversing age-related vision loss, explains Dorota Skowronska Krocik. Which has got to be
Polak.
She's got to be Polish. Yeah, got to be Polish. She's but even if she is Polish, she's a PhD and associate professor at UC Irvine's Department of Physiology and Biophysics and Ophthalmology and Visual Sciences. Okay,
pedigreed right there.
Yeah, pretty good.
The research was conducted in collaboration with the Polish Academy of Sciences and the Health and Medical University of Potsdam, Germany. The team published their findings in Science Translational Medicine on September 24, 2025, under the title, Retinal Polyunsaturated Fatty Acid Supplementation Reverses Aging-Related Vision Decline in Mice.
Okay. So why don't you just inject some margarine? I think it would. I believe butter. It's not butter. No, polyunsaturated fat.
Oh, polyunsaturated. Yeah. Right, that's margarine.
Right? Yeah. Okay, this work expands on an earlier study of the elongation of very long chain fatty acids, protein 2, which is where we got the ELOVL2, a gene known to be an important marker of aging. Quote, we showed that we have lower vision when this ELOVL2 enzyme isn't active. Now, I wonder how you... Okay, I don't...
How do you activate it?
Yeah, exactly. Says Skowronska Krocik, who is also part of the Robert M. Brunson Center for Transitional Vision. More. Yeah, she's got no home time. For transitional vision research at UC Irvine School of Medicine. In that previous research, boosting ELOVL2 activity in older mice increased levels of the omega-3 fatty acid hexaonic acid. I hope I don't have to say that again. In the eye, resulting in better vision. Okay, so omega-3 fatty acids. I know those are.
Isn't that fish oil? Is that like fish oil?
I think so. Yeah.
I take fish oil in my supplements.
Salmon oil, I think, some type of salmon oil.
Yeah. In their new study, the researchers looked for another way to achieve those benefits without relying on the ELOVL2 enzyme itself. As people grow older, changes in lipid metabolism reduce levels of very long-chain polyunsaturated fatty acids. That's the VLC PUFAs, PUFASs, in the retina. This decline can harm vision and contribute to AMD, the macular degeneration. Mm-hmm. The ELOVL2 gene helps produce both VLC PUFAs and DHA ASAP. But when its function weakens with age, so does the eye's ability to maintain these essential molecules.
To compensate, the UC Irvine team injected older mice with a specific polyunsaturated fatty acid. The result was striking. The animal's visual performance improved. It's a proof of concept, proof of for turning lipid injection into a possible therapy, says Skaronska Krachik. Again, going on with the quote, what is important is that we didn't see the same effect with DHA. Others have also questioned the ability of DHA to slow AMD progression. Okay, so maybe they've been working on that before.
How do they tell if a mouse vision? How do they tell that? They put the little reading chart up there. Read this, Mr. Mouse.
Yeah. Well, I mean, what do they put up there?
I don't know.
Pieces of cheese or
a cat,
peanut butter?
Of a cat.
I don't know.
I see it now.
Yeah, I don't know.
Quote, our work really confirms the fact that DHA alone cannot do the work, but we have this other fatty acid that is seemingly working and improving vision in aged animals, said Skaronska Krachik. Continuing the quote, we have also shown on a molecular level that it actually reverses the aging features.
Furthermore, the researchers found genetic variants in the ELOVL2 enzyme that correlate with faster progression of AMD. Quote, now we actually have a genetic connection to the disease and its aging aspect, says Skaronska Krachik. She's quoted a lot in this.
Yes, she is.
This is her deal.
Yeah.
So we could potentially identify people at higher risk for a vision loss progression. This could lead to not only the therapeutic treatment options, but also targeted interventions for prevention.
These findings have only further solidified Skaronska Krachik's view of the importance of the ELOVL2 enzyme. Quote, I'm pretty convinced it's one of the top aging genes that we should look at when we think about anti-aging therapies. I wonder just for the eyes or for in general.
Yeah. In a collaboration with researchers from UC San Diego, Skaronska Krachik has also started to explore the role of lipid metabolism in immune system aging. That study found the lack of ELOVL2 enzyme induces accelerated aging of immune cells, suggesting that systemic lipid supplementation could potentially counteract the effects of age on the immune system. It also suggested that lipid metabolism might play a role in blood cancers.
Lipid.
Okay.
Quote, our first study explored a potential therapy to address vision loss, said Skaronska Krachik. But with the information we've since learned about immune aging, we're hopeful the supplementation therapy will boost the immune system as well. I like it.
Yeah.
Let's keep an eye on this.
Yeah. No pun intended. Yeah, absolutely. This is
I didn't even catch that.
Yeah. This is pretty cool. I mean, again, it's gonna put some ophthalmologists or optometrists out of business but
maybe, yeah.
Yeah. But
if it advances science
and it improves your life, then what the heck? Let's do it. So, because I mean, eyes are a funny thing, man. You start getting involved in cataracts, and I don't know why, but for probably the last 10 years, I have had very little change in my prescription, and it was moving along pretty good, and then all of a sudden it kind of came to a halt. I mean, I still have to wear glasses, obviously, but something like this, I would give it a shot.